Hi, today I'm gonna explain all of the Scratch blocks that have in Scratch. Okay? Okay. So first is the move 10 steps. This one will move like change X, but in which direction? Like if we move 10 steps when green flag clicked, then it will move 10 steps. But if we put it into a direction, a specific direction, and then we do it, it will go to that specific direction. So even though the direction or nowhere, it will still go there. And they just reposition. So the next one is turn 15 degrees. This one will turn which direction to clockwise, and this one will turn anti-clockwise, and this one will go to a random position, and this one will go to our mouse. For this one, it will go to the X position of anywhere and Y position of anywhere. This makes it go to makes it run without screen refresh, and this one is to glide to random position. So it just move and no without screen refresh. And this one will glide to the mouse pointer. So it just glide like the go to, but not run for screen refresh. This one is just like the go to, but it will glide. This one will point in a specific direction. This one, it will point towards something. And if we have another sprite, like Abby, we can choose for it to point towards this sprite, the other sprite. No! Stop it. Okay, so for this one is changing X, just like the move, but it's changing in a specific direction. But this one is just like this one. Okay? But you want to do like any, so we set X is in setting the X position of anywhere, and the change Y is just changing the up like that, and the set Y is just like the set X but using the Y position. If edge bounce, so if we are touching the edge, it will turn the negative of our direction. So if we put it into a forever loop, this will happen. Oh, we need to use a move 10. So, yep, it will do that. Okay? So, that's what it do. It will turn it upside down and point it to the negative direction of it. And this one is set rotation, so it could rotate. And this one will left right, it could rotate left and right. And this one it can't rotate, so it was stuck in place. For this one, it can rotate all around. Okay. And for this one is the X position, and for this one is the Y position, and this one is the direction of it. So if we just take all of this, we will see the Y position is 0, but if we move it here, yep, we see it. So that's useful. So let's go to our looks category. So for this one, staying something for 2 seconds, not forever. And this one is staying forever, and this one is just like this one, so we don't need. And this one is switching the costume. So if we have 2 costumes, then it will switch to this costume. And this one is to go to the next costume. So we will wait doing switch costume 0 to 3, 4, 5, 6. And this one is using the backdrop. And next backdrop is just like next costume. And we changing the size is like changing it to a bit bigger. And this set size is, if we put it into a forever loop, it will just does nothing. And for this one, it will do many things. Okay, for this one is changing the color, and we have many categories to do. For this one is setting, so it's just like this, but using the effects. And this one is clear every effect that you're using. This one is showing, and this one is hiding the sprite. This is go to front layer. It means it will go to every sprite that is in front of it. And we can go back layer, which is going back. So every sprite is on top of it. This one is go forward. So this go forward one layer is to do if we put two sprites that have go to front layer. And for this one is the costume number, and for this one is the backdrop number. And this is, we can use a name, and we can use it into the operators for math. And this one is a size, so the size is 100, and if we change it, then it will go to another place. And this is playing the sounds, and this is starting the sound, and this is changing the pitch, like goes ah! And for this one is setting the pitch. And this is clear all sounds, and this is changing the volume so it could go until it's literally silent. And this is setting the volume so it just goes automatically. And this one is the volume, okay? Oh, you cannot hear me. For this one is just the one green flag clicked. And for this one, if I press space like that, okay? And okay, and they were just using the things right here, so it just use it so we cannot put anything on top of it. So it's basically the thing that controls everything, the thing that makes it run. And for this it waits, and for this it repeats something inside it, and this is using the forever. And this one is if something is something, and if you want to put into the forever loop, then it will work forever. So yeah, if forever. And for this, if else. So under the else is the not, and on top of the else is yes. And this wait until is waiting forever, waiting this seconds until something happens. This is stop everything. This is when we create a clone, and this is for when what the clone do, and this is deleting the clones. Okay, we need to go fast. So this is the touching if to put in the if. So if we're touching, then this is touching the color, and if the color, if this is touching the color this, then you do something. And then this is asking. This is called asking. So it will just not be like the saying. So if we put it into a one green flag clicked, this will pop up. And then this is the answer of it. So we can put the answer into the equals block, which will go later. And then this is for the key, like this one, but it will be more very, yeah. And this one is when our mouse, is for our mouse. And this one is the mouse X position, and this one is for the mouse Y position. And this is the set drag mode to draggable, so we could drag the sprite. Now for this one is resetting the timer, so we have this timer block and this loudness block. And this one is using some formulas to do it, like the something of the stage. So if you put it into a sprite, another sprite, then it will change everything. And here it will extend this. And this is for the current year, or current month, day, week, second. This is the day since 2000. Yep. And this is for the online block. So if we are online, then it will say true. And if we are offline, then it will say false. This is for our username. Like my username is mochi2762. For this is just math. So plus, like 1 plus 1 and 1 minus 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 and 1 divided by 1. And this is picking the random thing. Like 1 to 10, it will pick random things. But this one is less than and greater than. And this one is equals. For this one is and this specific one is these two things have to happen in the same time, and this or will not happen at the same time. And this one is not happening. If it's not happening, then we do something. So this is join. So if we cannot write anything more, then we could do like n, like using this glitch that you could use in the key we join, but the other keys we cannot. And this is the letter 1 of apple. And we'll say A because the letter 1 of apple is A. And the length of apple, it will see how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So there's 5 letters, so the length of apple equals 5. And this one, if the apple contains A, which is have A, because apple have an A inside apple. Okay, and this mod, which barely anyone uses, this one is for doing like is the reminder of something. So if we do like anything with divided by anything, and if the number doesn't have the reminder, then it will say 0. And then the round is rounding to the nearest number, and this one is ABS at the absolute, which changes the negative number to a positive number. And the floor is always rounding down, and ceiling is always rounding up. The square is the square root of one number, and the sin is for moving. The 10 I don't know because and for these we don't know. These variables is using for the set. So if we set it to 2, and then we could use it to the ABS. And if we set it to -2, then the ABS of my variable will be 2. Easy. And then this will changing the variable. It's just showing and just hiding the variable. Okay, we need to be fast. So list is just doing something like doing this. So adding the list is adding something, and this is delete something of it, and delete all of it, and insert thing at 1. So insert something at the position of it. Okay, I'm ending, and this will be part 2. So remember, this will be part 2. Okay, bye.